Forest Pack 7 includes some changes to Forest Tools, plus a new experimental plugin for Unity that allows you to export scattered items to the popular engine for use in games and other real-time projects. The basic procedure for sending a scatter to Unity involves 3 steps. First of all, you'll need to select one or more forest objects that you want to export. For this example, I'll just export the trees. Next, open Forest Tools from the Utilities panel. You can also access this more quickly by clicking the button on the Forest toolbar. Then scroll down to near the bottom and click on the Forest Exporter Open option. Here you'll see there's a new format drop-down. Select this and click on Unity. Next, click the ellipsis button to choose a save location. You can choose a Unity asset folder if you like, and the scatter will automatically import into your Unity project. But for this demonstration, I'll show you how to do a manual import. Then finally, click Export. Wait just a few seconds and your Forest and FBX file will be created. So once you've done that, you can go over to Unity and open your project. To import these assets we just created, we need to install the plugin. These will soon be available on the Unity Asset Store, but they're also available from our website, and you can find a link to them in the video description. For now, I'll show you how to install them manually. Actually, there's not much to describe. You just drop the package into Unity's asset browser and follow the instructions to import. And so once you've done that, you're ready to import the forest objects. To do this, drag and drop your forest files along with the FBX files generated by the Forest Tools exporter, or right-click and select Import New Assets and pick them that way. This will create 2 new objects, a prefab generated from the FBX file that contains the source geometry, and a forest pack object which you can identify using the forest logo. You should just drag this latter one onto your scene, and that's pretty much it. If you need to edit the exteriors, you may need to extract them from the prefab. You can do this by selecting the prefab, going to the inspector and clicking the Materials tab. Then click Extract Materials and choose the folder you want to save them to. Once this is done, the material becomes editable in the usual way. Alternatively, you can simply swap the materials for new ones by dragging them to the relevant slot in the Remapped Materials section. This plugin is still experimental and under active development, so expect updates soon. In the meantime, feedback is of course welcomed, so please feel free to contact us in our forum. Forest Pack 7 is out now, and you can find out more about the other new features on the i2 Software website.